Thanks for watching Arm Custom Flooring. We're here in Aliso Viejo, California. We're here to refinish these nosings that wore out sooner than the rest of the step. It's normal that happens. So we're here to refinish them and color them and make them look right, okay? And also we came to replace one nosing that broke, which is this one. And finally, after prepping all these nosings, I'm going to stain them. As you can see, just wet rag them and not wipe off, just like this. And these are the results of our work. All these nosings, refinished, color, and polyurethane 3 coats matched perfectly.